Hello my beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up y'all? How you guys doing out there? I miss you guys so much. I'm out here on vacation in Puerto Rico having a blast with my family. I'm sorry I haven't been posting. The Wi-Fi out here is kind of, it's been in and out, and I've been having a hard time trying to record videos and post them. But so far I made a lot of footage. I got a lot of footage out here, and I've been enjoying myself with my family. So here's a little small tutorial on how how I do my makeup out in Puerto Rico. By the way, it's freaking hot out here, so I'm trying to do the best I can. I'm not trying to do beat full face, but yeah, what I can. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm using the Violet Balls by Sara Lee, and this is the colors I showed you guys already. But yeah, we're gonna go with the color Mama Bird, and we're gonna put that all over our lid. So yeah guys, I'm out here enjoying myself. I miss recording and posting videos, but when I get to Jersey, I'm gonna post videos out here from Puerto Rico, and I hope you guys like it. I'm trying to take my camera out as much as I can to record for you guys, so you guys can see what I'm seeing out here. This is beautiful. So far I've been catching up with my family, chilling, So we're gonna pack that on. Okay guys, now we're gonna go in with Fried, with this color right here, and we're gonna put that on our outer crease. Right here. Now we're gonna go with the color Alabama, and we're gonna blend that on our outer crease. is it looking, but I hope it's looking like something. Alright, now we're going to take the color Hissy Fit. How it looks like. So, I'll put that right here. Okay guys, now we're gonna go in with Auto Eyeliner by LA Colors. This is how it's looking so far. Alright guys, moving on to foundation. I'm going to mix this one, which is Melanie Mills, and my Inflammable Pro Matte in the color Caramel Beige. I mix those two together. Just a little bit. I don't want to use too much makeup. I don't want my face feeling heavy. Going in with this Dragon Beauty, and I'm going to use both color under my eyes. Going in with bronzer. Going in with the Better Than Sex mascara. You're gonna use a little bit of that color you use, the orangey color. You're gonna put that under your eye, right here. For lipstick, I'm using the Lip Injection Gloss. Nice, simple, and whatever. So this is how it's looking. This is it. for the look, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. So yeah guys, this is my look. Something simple, whatever. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel. We lit. Yes, girl. Till next time. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.